Hey YouTube, welcome to Credit Viral. This is a very important video, so please watch it till the end because right here in this video, I'm going to tell you a secret which will allow you to build your credit for free. Yes, you can increase up to 100 points on your credit score. Yes, you can do that, and this is really simple, really easy by just following, I believe, only one step, right? And remember that right after this video, I am going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $15,000 personal loan with no credit check at all. So in order to watch that video, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you will get notified whenever we upload that video for you. And please smash that like button. It really helps the channel grow and it motivates us to bring more great content just for you. So now, without wasting any time, let's start the video, and here's the countdown. 3, 2, 1, let's go! Just right here, here's an amazing opportunity for you, and believe me, you won't have to pay a single penny for anything. Yes, you can build your credit for free, and yes, you don't need to actually give money to someone to get a secured credit card. You don't need to pay for any sort of monthly fee or annual fee. No, it's completely free, and you can build your credit with your bank statement, or you can say with your bank account. Isn't it crazy, right? So let me just tell you how it works, right? So what they do exactly, they build credit with subscriptions, like just like as Netflix, Hulu, Spotify, Apple Music, Amazon, and other services. So like what we do exactly, we have these subscriptions and then we pay for them every month, but we never get in return. Like the only thing we do is exactly probably listening to music and watching movies. But how about if it actually helps us to build our credit as well? And of course, Perch is exactly doing the same thing. Yes, you can even report your rent payments. If you're paying rent, they report it to the credit bureau. So one of the great features of Perch right here, that it allows you to actually report your past 2 years of rent. Yes, you can actually report the past 24 months of rent to your credit bureau, and this will definitely increase your credit score. And believe me, this is a great opportunity because past 24 payments reported to your credit bureau at once, it can actually increase your credit score from 30 to 50 points at once. So keep that in mind. This is an amazing perk right here that I would like to tell you about. From now on, what's going to happen, and that 35% of the credit report based on your payments, right? So right here, if they report these payments, right, to your credit bureau, it will change your credit score. And just think about it. If you have 3 subscriptions, you have your rent as well and other things. So if they report these payments, like Perch report these payments to your credit bureau, just think about it, it's going to change your credit score significantly. Yes, you can build your credit without even knowing that it's happening on your back. Yes, this is the great thing. It's a quick and easy setup. Of course, you can start your credit journey as little as 5 minutes. Yes. So what they are going to do right here, they are going to actually link their app with your bank account, and that's what you need to do with yourself. And then they will actually analyze all the transactions. Then they will see which transactions are the recurring ones. Then they will take that one and start reporting those payments to the credit bureaus. This is great and this is outstanding because I believe this technology, and specifically this one right here, Perch, can actually change the credit game. Yes, this is an amazing opportunity, and I know that you will have a lot of questions about it, that is it going to affect our credit, when we apply for it. You need to apply anything at all. Let me just take you towards the frequently asked questions and clarify a couple of confusions that you have. So the first one is, how does Perch work? So we help young adults build their credit using a non-traditional data such as rent, Netflix, utilities as well. If you're paying your electricity bill, if you're paying your water bill or any other bills, they will report those to your credit bureau as well. And it's amazingly free. Yes, you won't have to pay a single penny. We don't know about future, but right now it's free. So like, take this opportunity and just avail it. This is an amazing thing. So according to them, their mission is to teach financial literacy to the people so they can jumpstart their credit score. This is also great for the people who are in the rebuilding phase of their credit or who have bad credit. You can actually change your credit score significantly by just using Perch, right? This is an amazing thing. What do you need to sign up and why do you need it? So right here, in compliance with US regulations, we require identity verification at the sign up, including your photo ID and documents. So keep that in mind. These are some things that they require. Does signing up affect my credit score? No, they don't even care about your credit. They are going to improve your credit, so it's not going to affect your credit at all, and signing up does not affect your credit. Are there any fees? Perch is completely free to use, so more people can access the financial health. Yes, it's completely free. You're not going to pay a single penny. Please smash that like button if you really like the video and the content. It really helps the channel, right? And then if you want to contact them, you can actually contact them at support@getperch.app. And of course, is linking my bank account secure? Yes, they use the Plates platform, the new one, the new fintech platform, and I believe it's one of the most secure ones, so don't worry about it. Can I still use Perch if my credit score is already good? Yes, you can do that, because you know that whatever you add in it, it will actually change your credit score. It's not going to have a significant effect on your credit if you have already good credit, but of course, it will actually put some more stars onto your credit, so keep that in mind. So one and the last question right here, does someone else pays my rent, can I still improve my credit? Yes, as long as the credit, or you can say the rent, is going from your account, so then of course you can build your credit with it, because they only see the reoccurring payments. So keep that in mind. This is an amazing opportunity. It's an app. Yes, you can download the app on the App Store, so you can just click on it. I'm going to paste the link below in the video's description. You can click on it and install the app, build your ID, connect your bank account, and that's how you can do that. Don't worry about it if you are afraid how I'm going to connect my bank account. Is it secure? Yes, it's completely secure. Don't worry about it. You can do that, and this is a massive opportunity, believe me, for a lot of people out there. So do it as soon as possible. And if you have any confusions or questions, let me know in the comment below, so I will be happy to answer each and every question, and I will be happy to actually clear a lot of your confusions. And remember that right after this video, I am going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $15,000 personal loan with no credit check at all. So in order to watch that video, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon, so you will get notified whenever we upload that video for you. And please smash that like button. It really helps the channel grow, and it motivates us to bring more great content just for you. So thank you so much. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care and have a nice day.